Gana action.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Moise Donatien. I'm teacher of languages in Action College. I teach Spanish, Italian, German, Arabic, and Chinese. Today we are going to study together Italian. Italian is one among Romance languages, and we will talk more about it through our lessons. Our first lesson, we are concerned about greetings and basic phrases together with self-introduction in Italian. As we already know, when you meet with someone at any time of day, you used to say hi or hello. In Italian is ciao. Ciao. Sometimes it is used even for saying bye. You used to say ciao. Our good morning is buongiorno. Buongiorno. Buon to symbolize good, and giorno is a day. Buongiorno. Good evening is buonasera. Buonasera. Sera is evening. Then buona is for good. Good night in Italian is buonanotte. Buonanotte. Notte is night in Italian. What's your name? Is come si chiama. Come si chiama. This C and H in Italian we used to read chi. Come si chiama. My name is mi chiamo. If my name is Alfonso or my name is Patrick, I say mi chiamo Alfonso. Mi chiamo Alfonso. Mi chiamo Patrick. Mi chiamo, and you add your name. How are you in Italian is come sta. Come sta. You reply. If you are fine, you reply sto bene. Sto, I am. Sto for I am. Or I am. Bene, good, I am good. I am good. Sto bene. Thank you in Italian is grazie. Grazie. This just T and S. You read T and S together. Grazie. If you want to say thank you so much or much thanks, you say grazie mille. Grazie mille. This mille for much things. This means much. Or you might say molto grazie. Many thanks. Literally is many thanks, but you say molto grazie. Nice to meet you. Of course, as you already know, we have to show someone that we are happy to meet with him or her. We say piacere di conoscerti. Piacere di conoscerti. This in like piacere di conoscerti. I am pleased to see you. Then please in Italian is per favore. Per favore. To show polite, to show that you are polite, use per favore. Per favore. You may use also scusi for apologizing or having an excuse to someone else. Scusi. Goodbye in Italian is arrivederci. Arrivederci. This is our first lesson in Italian, which is concerned about greetings and basic phrases and self-introduction in Italian. Grazie mille. Arrivederci.
Gana action. Perimina provvisoari. Gana action. Ubabivuzo kuri ko. Gana action. Inamenyirira kumuzira.